G'day, Ozzy Dunk, back with another video. This one I'll just try and make very quick and whatever because to be honest I don't know if there's too much good in here at all, and it's not a pack opening as such. This is just a few cards that I picked up through Barbell breaks, and I just thought I'd share them with you and just put it on video. Now my next possibly real good break will be a video of a break I had with Leighton Sports Cards, and that one you'll find quite fascinating, but more about that when that arrives here at my house. But meanwhile, let's just get into this quickly and see what I've got here, because I can't even remember myself, so I'm not gonna promise anything too much. If I don't remember, it means I couldn't have got much, so that's how we'll play it. Okay, so, yep, opening my box from Barbell. Okay, how about that? This is a bit of a break. I brought a hockey box from Barbell's, and I said, to make shipping easier, open up the box and just send me the packs. So they did, which is cool. So, we'll call this actually a box break. This is as you can see, 22-23 extended series hockey, and I am still going to go through this very quickly. You get one insert a pack, and basically that's it. So, and the reason why I want to go through this quick is because I'm going to have to do another short video for Barbells to show what I got in the box for their benefit. So since they were kind enough to send me the packs, so here we go, quick. So I think there's 24 packs, so I'll have to roll my dice twice, and here we go. That's a 15, and second roll. I'll roll it again so it's on the screen. And again because rolled off the screen. So 25. So 25. I think it's 24 packs. I'll just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah, 24 packs. So this front one's going into my break at Christmas time, so that's the only one Barbells won't see. But everything else, I'm just going to open real quick and pull out the insert and do a quick. So I'm not going to, as I said, I want to do this. So I don't know what the insert is here. Usually there's an insert per pack, and so saying that, of course, I get a base pack. Oh, hang on, there we go. That's some sort of parallel or different sort of card. That's the card from that pack. Go to center, and our insert is going to be this one. I will do a second video showing all these, so I won't be doing any recaps or anything. I'm just quickly opening all these, and you'll see the recap in a second video. So there you go. There's a numbered card, that's cool. Coyotes 37/100, not bad. Okay. Canvas. rookie gems. That looks nice. David Sherrick. There's a young gun. Our first young gun. That's another sort of draft card of some kind. Draft insert, is it? I don't know. Round 1 draft. A few inserts I haven't seen before, so smooth grooves. Nice. Canvas. That's another one of these T cards, whatever they are. Another young gun for Hurricanes. What have I got here? Okay. Oh, young guns, something else. Caden again. I have to start collecting him the way I'm going there. Okay. Not sure of the odds of all these cards, so we just, as I said, young gun Nick from San Jose. There's Dazzler from Winnipeg Jets, Eismont. Okay. Where are we? There's me French variant, which is my PC, so that's good. Brock McGinn on the French variant. Bit of a waste of insert, but at least it's my team. And oh, that looks nice. Another one for the PC. Evgeny Malkin. History class. Pretty nice. Happy with that. That's a nice PC card. Okay. Moving right along. The old SPX type card. Kellegren. 22-23 rookie. So that's pretty nice. A lot of nice cards in this and all different types of inserts. I wish Upper Deck was still doing the old football cards, of course. But we've got to put up with what we put up with. And this is another draft pick one. Olsen. These are probably rookie updates because it's the final box. You've got Series 1, Series 2 and then Extended Series. They're probably printed cards for the rookies and had special inserts made for them. Okay, moving right along. Another canvas card. Bo Horvat for Canucks. Oh, Caufield. Not a rookie card anymore, but a lot of people like collecting him, so that's nice. That's a black diamond. Pity it's not the 4 diamond numbered card, but pretty nice. There we go, Caufield. I know nothing about hockey, but I've heard his name. I'd like to watch a bit more hockey, but I don't go for paid TV, so it's a bit hard to... Not a canvas, Noah Dobson for the Islanders. And the final pack that I'm going to open is another draft pick. Oh, beauty, and a Pittsburgh draft pick. So that's another one for my PC. How nice to finish on that. Okay, so just quickly, I don't know which ones are big ones, but I think we'll just go through some of these. There's a rookie there for the another draft pick, and I'll get the other draft pick one. So there's 3 draft picks. My French variant, and only 2 young guns. You usually get 4 or 5 a box, but only 2 young guns. So maybe those other rookie cards took the place of young guns. So, and there's a young gun variant from an older set, and then don't know what those are. Alex Ovechkin, very popular name in the things of ice hockey. This one looks like it could be a harder to get one, but I'm not going to say yay or nay there. Young guns. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 canvas cards. And was there any rookies in the canvas? I didn't get a rookie canvas card. Okay, no young guns. Caufield. This one, which I really like. History class. I don't know how common they are. Dazzlers, you always get one of those box. Smooth grooves, not bad. Oh, this one, rookie gems. So that might have been a harder one to get, but it's not numbered. That might have taken place of a young gun. Then my numbered card. Upper Deck exclusives out of 100. And then my holographics. One of these rainbow cards where I buy a lot of boxes to try and get the whole 3 players to build your little picture. And another one of these just veteran parallel base cards. Okay, that's the hockey. Now I might as well quickly go through the other stuff here. So apparently I was in an absolute break for the Saints. So this is what I ended up getting in that. A Derek card base card. A War Room material. My little Heaney, as I call him. Me little Heaney Jack Heena. And that's 28 out 199. And a nice rock out from one of the Saints old timers back in my day, Mr. Joe Horn. And that number is not very even, is it? 55's a bit of a... But there we go. So I had a break. And, oh, here we go. I brought some Allure hockey, plus some Goblin championships. And here's this Keishon Butte, who's probably going to be out of the league on gambling issues. I've got an Allure Igor for New York Islanders. Not numbered, but pretty cool. A Colour Flow. Nice looking card. And that's just a base rookie for Kalachnook. Another black one here for the Senators. I actually like the black rainbows. They look pretty cool, don't they? It's not my team. Shooter. Columbus Blue Jackets rookie. Yeah, and you must get a black rainbow per pack or something, because I got 3 of them. And Caleb, and the rookie Matt Baldy. I believe he's quite a well-liked rookie. And check, please. And I can't. It's Washington Capitals, and I can't read his name. Oh, Mr. Tom Wilson. Check, please. Okay, and we'll leave it there. So, probably my favourite card out of all this stuff will have to be little Jake Heine. Jake's Little Heine. Round 4, pick 127. Okay, that's all my stuff from Barbells in the last few weeks or so, and I love it. So I love me cards, and I can't help it. I just love collecting, and I love doing videos. So that's it for this one. Hopefully soon we'll have another video for you guys, and as I said, watch out for a special highlight video from breaks from Leighton's, and you'll see why I'm doing it as a video when you see that video. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch us again soon, and hopefully with some more great videos. Cheers. Aussie Dunk out.